If you've been declined for a credit card or loan, don't panic, you're not on your own. These 3 simple steps will get you back on track and give you the best chance of acceptance in the future. Step 1. Stop applying and pause. From speaking to a number of our customers, there is an underlying belief that if you fire off applications to every lender you can find, one is bound to say yes. This is not the case, it's actually the opposite. Making lots of applications in a short space of time can make lenders think you're desperate for cash, and this isn't good for your chance of acceptance. Instead, take a step back, and if you do decide to make another application, try and wait as long as you can. Then use an intelligent search tool like ChooseWisely Smart Search to identify suitable lenders which are most likely to accept you. Step 2. Understand why you were declined. If you've been turned down for a card or loan, your first step should be to work out why. Pick up the phone and have a chat with the lender you applied with, and they should be able to give you the answers. If for some reason they can't, they should at least be able to point you in the direction of the credit agency they used. In any case, be sure to check your credit file, making sure it's up to date and free of mistakes. A low credit score or mistake on your file might have been the reason your application was turned down. Alternatively, you could have been applying for the wrong type of loan. A supermarket loan might seem like the cheapest option, but if you've got bad credit, there's a high chance that you won't get approved for this type of loan. Step 3. Do you really need to borrow? If you've been turned down for a loan or card, then ask yourself, do I really need to borrow? Struggling to cover bills and debts? Then borrowing more is probably not the answer. Instead, try to get back on track with your finances using the practical tips in our guides. You can identify small savings like choosing a cheaper lunch or car sharing for your commute, and work towards bigger goals such as quitting smoking. Being able to see where you're spending money will help you identify what you can afford to go without. Maybe try a budgeting app on your phone or use a connected card like Monzo to keep on top of your finances. After you've understood your situation, you can consider applying for a Credit Builder credit card that helps grow your credit score. To sum up, if you've been declined for finance, don't worry, you do have options. But it's vital that if you decide to continue your search, you do so extremely carefully. So remember, make sure you know what's in your credit file, avoid applying to more than one lender within a short space of time, and make it easy to keep track of spending so you can see where to cut back. As always, know where you stand, compare your options, and of course, choose wisely.